Now, your Weather Authority forecast, sponsored by Greenway of the Shoals, a new way, the right way. greenwayoftheshoals.com.
Man, it's already starting to heat up this morning across the Tennessee Valley. Just look at these temperatures climbing into the upper 70s in Huntsville. In Athens and Decatur, we're sitting at 75, 79 just now in Russellville, 78 in Florence. We are going to those 80s, already 81 in Coleman. Factor in the dew points across the area, and we are already starting to feel sticky across the Tennessee Valley. 70 in Huntsville, 68 in Decatur, 77 in Coleman, and 69 in Muscle Shoals. Your temperature versus your heat index for today. Your heat index is how it's going to feel when you step outside today. Look at this, 108 as we head into 2 o'clock this afternoon through 3 o'clock. This is dangerous heat. You need to be taking precautions when you are spending time outside, and limit your time spent outside today. That is the best thing that you can do, is limit the time that you spend outside out in the heat later this afternoon, because yes, the thermometer says 96 or 97 or 98, but it's going to feel more like 106 and 108 and then 107 as we head later into the afternoon and into the evening. That's why we have an excessive heat warning in effect until 8 o'clock tonight for all of the counties shaded in pink here. That includes Lincoln County in southern Middle Tennessee, Madison, Morgan, Coleman, Limestone, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, and Lawrence counties for heat index values of 105 to 111 degrees. But we're not done after today. More heat on the way as we head into Sunday. A heat advisory for the entire Tennessee Valley until 8 o'clock at night on Sunday. So we're not done with the heat on Sunday. More heat, more humidity, making it feel more like 100 to 106. Florence Harbor looking pretty decent this morning. Sunshine coming down. Temperatures already warming into those middle 70s. North Madison County overlooking Newmarket. Plenty of sunshine coming down across the Newmarket area and across Madison County. Fort Payne looking pretty decent with temperatures in the 70s. There is a chance that some of us see a few scattered showers or thunderstorms as we head later into the day today. Look at this, a few scattered showers popping up, say around 2 to 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They quickly come back down as we head towards 5 o'clock. And then as we head overnight, those rain chances will start to dwindle for us across the area, but still a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. We'll do it again on Sunday. A little bit of a rinse and repeat for us. More hot weather, more chances at showers and thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon. Look at this, more scattered showers and thunderstorms moving across the area. We could see a few more as we head into Sunday evening, so we'll be watching that very closely. Storm impacts through the weekend. Damaging winds are going to be possible in some of the strongest storms. Things like trampolines, lawn ornaments, things that you have out there that may just be loose in the yard. Those things need to be gathered up because they're likely to get blown away. Large hail in some of the stronger storms, and of course, frequent lightning in any thunderstorm will be possible through the weekend, so expect a lot of lightning, and lightning is frightening. Make sure you're taking lightning safety precautions and moving inside when thunder roars. Sand Mountain over the next 7 days, it is going to look very similar to today with more chances for showers and thunderstorms. We'll see temperatures come down just a little bit on Independence Day into the upper 80s over in Sand Mountain. How about the Shoals? We'll see temperatures come down into the lower 90s on Independence Day. Still have to dodge a few showers and thunderstorms, mainly during those afternoon hours. And then in the Huntsville metro area, we'll have to watch for some of those showers and thunderstorms on our 4th of July holiday.